Guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to restore deleted posts or reels on Instagram, which is very simple and easy to do. So just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile section. And once you come to your profile section, you will see the three lines on the top right. Just simply tap on the three lines and go to your activity option, and that's where you can easily find the option of recently deleted. Just simply tap on the option, and then here it will show all of your deleted posts or reels on Instagram. So in order to delete a particular post or reel, just simply tap on that post and you'll see the three lines on the top right. Just simply tap on the three lines, and in order to restore it, just simply tap on restore and tap on restore again to continue. So that's how you can easily restore your deleted posts or reels on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys, and I would recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.